Let's go to stock picks. We've got a couple of minutes. Zwelakhe, you going with Microsoft? I got to say, the big tech valuations are big. Then the results come out, and they were big too. And I mean, the capex spend, which I mentioned before the break, I mean, 300 billion from 4 stocks. Microsoft is your pick today.
Yeah, certainly. I think it's a pick because it's not a seasonal tech. You know, it's a tech that is very defensive, and I think with the advances in AI, I think they will be able to add more features into their offerings and be able to essentially extract more value out of their customers. I mean, the Copilot product is not yet even halfway in terms of being utilized. So I think that their cloud and AI products would be a big driver going forward.
I take your point, and quickly on the cloud. I mean, there is it doesn't even have to be their cloud. It might not be Copilot. It could be the 3 of us starting our AI company. If AI is winning, it doesn't matter whether you're DeepSeek or OpenAI or Microsoft. If you're going to be on their cloud, they're going to score from you anywhere. And that's kind of the beauty of it. They're almost like the other end from NVIDIA in terms of being the shovel.
Yeah, I think the one thing about AI is that the productivity gains haven't been factored into most of the market players. So there is going to be, as this AI advances, do these companies need so many people, so many developers? I mean, you could speak to AI and ask for a code and get the code created for you and basically paste it into your application, develop it. So there is a risk that in the long run, we will see these companies retrenching and therefore improving their margins as a result of AI utilization, not just selling it out to customers.
Yeah, 100%. Andrew, Alphabet, again, knock it out the park. I'm quickly trying to count. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 billion user businesses sitting in Alphabet. That's your stock pick today. It's a giant of a business.
Absolutely. So just going back to the S&P 500, I don't think the S&P 500 as a whole is screaming cheap. It's kind of, trying to find the tallest dwarf or the shortest giant, however you want to see it, the least inexpensive company. So, Alphabet's on a forward PE of 20, which I don't think is excessive for a company of their quality. A lot of cash on the balance sheets, and you just mentioned, all the businesses within Alphabet. YouTube revenue is around $55 billion a year. That's more than Netflix alone, just that. So, I think what's going on in AI is exciting. These guys are really smart. They wouldn't be spending this capex if they didn't think the risk-adjusted return would be worth it. So that's why Alphabet is my stock pick tonight.
100%. That's it for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guests, Andrew Padoa from Sasfin Wealth with Alphabet, Zwelakhe Mnguni from Benguela Global Fund Managers with Microsoft. Moving forward, Stockwatch will be recorded 12:30 on Fridays. Be sure to send your questions early via email to stockwatch@bdtv.co.za. SMS 41392 on X Business Day TV using hashtag Stockwatch. Up next, the close. Stay watching.